Today, let's make a cake. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with Chalk Zero, and we're going to show you how to make a keto Neapolitan cake. Now this cake just isn't your ordinary cake. It's actually a smaller cake. It's perfect for just you or if you want to share with just a few select family members. And it's going to be made out of keto waffles, or chaffles as a lot of us like to call them. It's very simple to make and is delicious and has your three favorite flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. To get started, we are going to make up our cake batter, or our waffle batter. In a medium bowl, you're going to add 3 eggs, 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter that's softened, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 4 teaspoons of monk fruit blend sweetener, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm gonna mix this up with an electric mixer just because of that cream cheese. It's really hard to get it to combine with just using a fork or mixing it by hand. So using an electric mixer helps get those cheese chunks into smaller, smooth, combined batter form. Once your batter is mixed up, now it's time to separate it into 3 bowls. I'm actually just gonna pour it into 2 other bowls and keep 1 bowl for the plain vanilla. So that flavor's done, the vanilla's done. Now we just need to work on the chocolate and the strawberry flavors. For the chocolate, I'm gonna be using Chalk Zero's chocolate syrup. Their syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. You'll need 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup in there, along with 1 teaspoon of an unsweetened cocoa powder. And the other bowl for our strawberry flavor, I'm gonna use Chalk Zero's strawberry syrup. So it's 1 tablespoon of their strawberry flavored syrup, along with some food coloring just to give it that iconic pink color. Mix both of these up until they're combined, and now our 3 batters are ready. So drag out your waffle maker, and I'm gonna be using the smaller one that's more of like the traditional waffle size ones that you would buy at the grocery store, and pour your batter into there. You wanna pour enough so it forms maybe like a 2-inch, 3-inch diameter, and then it will spread out as it cooks. If you overfill it, it's gonna spill out all over the place, so it's just trying to find that right amount of batter to add in. Each of these batters will make around 2 to 3 waffles. So continue using up your batter with all of the flavors, making your vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. Once your waffles are done, now it's time to make our frosting. So I'm gonna be making a sugar-free white chocolate buttercream frosting. To make the frosting, in a bowl, we're gonna add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and mix that together along with 6 tablespoons of softened butter. Once that's creamy, we're gonna add in some white chocolate. So I'm gonna be using Chalk Zero's white chocolate baking chips. This is about 1/2 cup. I've melted it down, and we're going to add that into our frosting mixture. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that together, and then we're gonna slowly add in 1/2 cup of powdered sweetener. Once that's combined and fluffy, now it's time to assemble your chaffle cake. I'm gonna be applying frosting in between each of my Neapolitan layers, and then decorate the outside as well. This cake is so fun to make. It makes a really pretty, elegant presentation. Make sure you tag us, Chalk Zero, with all of your photos of your keto Neapolitan chaffle cake.